from across the desert Southwest, this is 13 on your side.
Always very impressive to see stuff like that from Mother Nature. And we saw a little bit of fog here just a couple of days ago. Not quite spectacular as the Grand Canyon, but we have seen some fog because we've been seeing rain, and that usually helps the moisture at the surface. Here's rain in our area, and we're starting to see more of it blinking. Just a little bit of eastern Yuma County. We'll take you there right now, looking at some very light rain showers in Dateland and perhaps sneaking into Roll and maybe even Tacna. But for the most part, the heaviest stuff is off to the north and east and to Quartzsite. As far as our current temperatures are concerned, not much of a difference from what they were over the last several hours. Right now sitting at 66 in Yuma, 62 in Blythe. And this is where we're going to sit really for the next several hours. Not much of a change, but look where we're seeing this rain. It's starting to get a little bit heavier to our south. As it makes it over the mountains, that's usually its big hurdle. That's why you're seeing this right here, no rain. And that's of course why we're in the desert, one of the sunniest places on the planet. Most of this rain is moving up the coastal areas, and this is going to continue, but we will see it jump this hurdle. We'll check on our tower cam to see if we can even see a drop of rain on the lens. And the answer is no. It's fairly clear on our tower cam in regards to rainfall, but it is very, very cloudy outside. Now we will see rain chances as we zoom you in just a little bit over the next several hours. We're going to continue to see clouds filter in, and we show you future scan. This is right at 2:20 in the morning. Look how it starts to paint on some of that rain. Light to moderate rain overnight, still timing from what we figured by 7 a.m. We'll see more of it really throughout the entire area. I think we're going to see a pretty good band of rain in spots, and it's going to continue to increase, not only in Imperial Valley, but in Yuma as well. I think some of these spots will be filled in. It shows us as having a break, even some sunshine. I think most of the day is really going to be cloudy off and on, but I think we will see a break Friday evening, and then perhaps even seeing just a little bit of peaks of sunshine by Saturday. So here's what's going on for tomorrow. We'll see 56 on 7 a.m. and then 65 at noon. I think that's our best bet right around the noontime area is when we're going to see opportunities of maybe a thunderstorm in there, just especially the closer to the foothills you are or near Quartzsite. Areas up north are the best bets with mountains near them are going to see the best bets for some of those thunderstorms. Everywhere else just see rain showers, and I think they're going to taper off just a little bit by the 4 p.m. time frame. Imperial Valley 53 to start the day, and then we're going to see 67 at noon, getting a 30% chance in the afternoon as we see that rain taper off just a little bit. But is it done yet? Future scan in the morning shows just a few. It wants to pepper in a few isolated thunderstorms for Saturday. Still not sold on this, but keep that in mind. I think it's going to be just a very, very cloudy day for us on Saturday. Maybe an isolated shower, but I think most of the area stays dry before we lose the clouds. How much rain after it's all said and done? Well, this model particularly has been all over the place, showing about a half an inch in Imperial Valley versus a couple hours ago. It only showed less than a tenth of an inch, where it kind of flip-flopped. I think that we're going to see just about a quarter of an inch area wide, and the better chances you go north and east is where we're going to see maybe just about 3/4 of an inch of rain in some spots. As far as flooding are concerned, you get in one of those thunderstorms, we're going to see more rain, and that's going to give us a better chance of some of the washes flowing. As far as winds are concerned, I don't see too much of it unless one of those storms gives maybe a gust of about 40 miles per hour, and anything as far as severe hail, nothing. We're not worried about that. This is just kind of a light to moderate rain shower event in the wintertime that we get. Here's a 70% chance of rain for your Friday, 68. We do see those clouds hang around, which means we'll stick in the 60s, but look how we warm up in a hurry. I think there's some game on this Sunday. Should be really nice if you're spending time outside, and then even in Phoenix it should be nice as well if you're headed up there. We're going to warm up considerably over the next several days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We even get back up to 80 degrees. Also in Imperial Valley, you'll see that rain chance on Friday, but we do lose that on Saturday. I think we remain cloudy, and then we're going to get back up into the middle 70s for the latter portion of the weekend, and then warming back up very, very nicely into the 80s. Stay with us. We'll be right back.